Fixing iPhone hang-up issue, a step-by-step guide.
Welcome everyone. Today we are going to tackle an issue that's been bothering some iPhone users recently, the phone hanging up after 2 hours. If you are one of those users, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through some possible solutions to this problem. This guide is simple and doesn't require any technical background.
Why is my iPhone hanging up after 2 hours?
The hang-up issue could be related to a variety of factors. This could be due to software glitches, network problems, or even settings within your phone app. Let's dive into how to address each of these issues.
Checking network settings.
Firstly, your issue might be related to network settings. 1. Restart your iPhone. This can help clear any minor glitches affecting the device. 2. Check your carrier settings. Go to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you'll see an option to update your carrier settings. 3. Try using your iPhone in a different location. This can help determine if the problem is due to weak cellular signal.
Updating your iPhone software.
Software updates often fix bugs and improve the performance of your iPhone. 1. Check for software updates. You can do this by going to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it.
Resetting all settings.
If none of the above methods work, it might be worth trying to reset all settings. This won't delete any of your data, but it will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and app permissions. 1. Go to Settings, General, Reset. 2. Select Reset All Settings. You will be asked to enter your passcode and confirm your decision.
Contacting Apple support.
Finally, if none of these steps work, you should contact Apple support or take your iPhone to an Apple store for further assistance. This could indicate a more serious issue that needs professional attention. And that's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving the issue of your iPhone hanging up after 2 hours. Remember, when in doubt, it's always a good idea to seek professional help. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next tutorial.